are all doing good. I am R.V. Varlakshmi, your science teacher from YSR Kadapa district. In the first module, you have known about communication. How do we communicate with others? History of communication and sign language. In the second module, you are going to know about why we need communication from third class EVS lesson together with everyone. Before going to the lesson, let's see the overview of the second module of the lesson.
Children, this is the overview of the second module of the lesson. Here you will know about why communication and improve your learning. Under why communication, you will know about visual communication, auditory communication, communication through touch, chemical communication. Let's know the objectives of the second module of the lesson. Learning objectives. Children, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to explain the need of communication, interpret between modes of communication both in human and animals, dramatize the different feelings and their gestures. These are the learning objectives of the second module. Before going to the lesson, let's recall what you have learned in the first module.
Sudha,
What, Geeta? Why are you so happy?
I watched the first module of the lesson together with everyone in APE Patashala channel as you said.
Then what?
I understood very easily about communication, how do we communicate, verbal and non-verbal communication.
Wait, Geeta. Let me tell. Because I too watched the lesson.
Okay, tell.
Direct and indirect communication, elders talk and sign language.
Shall we watch the second module?
Okay, I too very eager to watch that one. Let's watch.
Why communication? Discuss. Now, tell what you discuss. Yes, children, you are right. Let's know once again. Children, communication helps us to build relationships by allowing us to share our experiences and needs and helps us connect to others. Without communication, how will be our life? Yes, children, it's horrible. Children, let's move to the next topic. Children, think and discuss. Have you ever seen a scarecrow? We call this Dishti Bomma. Next one. Why do farmers put scarecrows in the fields? Children, have you discussed? Okay. Shall we discuss once again? Children, have you ever seen a scarecrow? You have got it. You saw scarecrow. But where did you see? In fields. Exactly. Let's see the video. Children, can you say why do farmers put scarecrows in the fields? Children, farmers put up scarecrows in the fields. Why do farmers put scarecrows in the fields? Yes, you are right. Farmers put up scarecrows to keep away birds from pecking the grains. When birds see the scarecrows, they assume them to be human beings on God. This is also one kind of communication. Have you ever seen ants communication with each other? Let's watch the video carefully. Children, have you watched the video? In this video, how did ants communicate with each other? Yes, good observation. Ants touch their legs and head to communicate with each other. Let's know how animals and birds communicate with each other. Children, now it's your turn. Now imagine when you are going to school from your home. Which animals do you see? on your way. Say one by one. Dog, goat, cow, cat, pig. Okay. Which birds do you see daily? Crow, sparrow, hen, duck, etc. Have you ever observed those animals and birds communicate with each other? Yes, what an imagination. You are awesome. Birds and animals express their anger, affection, feel through different ways. Different animals communicate in different ways. Shall we do some activities? Children, activity 1. Answer the following question. Why do farmers put scarecrows in the fields? Wow, children, you got the answer. Farmers put up scarecrows to keep away birds from pecking the grains. Children, move to the next activity. Children, choose the correct answer. Farmers put up dash to keep away birds from pecking the grains. Here is 3 options. Option A is poles. Option B is scarecrows. Option C is flags. Which is the right answer? Yeah, scarecrows is the right answer. So, answer is B. Move to the next question. How do ants communicate? Here is 3 options. Option A is touch their legs and head. Option B is touch their nose. Option C is touch their eyes. Which is the correct answer? Yes, A is the right answer. That is touch their legs and head. Nice going, children. Shall we go to the next activity? Children, say yes or no. Can animals and birds communicate with each other? Very good, children. Answer is yes. Let's know about that. Children, birds and animals express their anger, affection, fear through different ways. Different animals communicate in different ways. They are visual communication, auditory communication, communication through touch, chemical communication. Let's know about visual communication. Visual communication. Children, look at the video. Observe the tortoise. What is tortoise doing? Yes, it is retract its head whenever it feels threatened. Shall we watch one more? Children, look at the video. Observe carefully. Children, can you identify that one? What a memory. Yes, it is a snail. It is also retract its head whenever it afraid. Have you ever observed a dog when it is happy? Yes, you know very well. Dogs wave their tail when they are happy. This is the visual communication. Let's discuss in detail. Children, visual communication is the use of visual elements to convey ideas and information. Gestures and display, facial expressions and body posture are the visual signals in visual communication. For example, peacocks use their elaborated wings to make friends. Children, do you know waggle dance? Children, let's know waggle dance. Waggle dance is a type of visual communication in bees. The worker bees communicate about food mainly through a dance language. Let's see and enjoy the waggle dance. Children, how is the waggle dance? Yes, so nice. Be so moving in order. But we can't find it clearly in this video. So, see the picture of waggle dance once again. But be careful, children. When you see these type of bees, don't go near to them. It's very dangerous. Shall we do some activities? Children, choose the correct answer. Peacocks use their elaborated dash to make friends. Option A is tail. Option B is wings. Option C is eyes. Which is the right answer? Nice, children. Good answer. B is the right answer. Let's move to no auditory communication. Children, fill in the blank with suitable word. A dash dance is type of visual communication. Correct answer. Children, answer is waggle. Children, answer the following questions. What are the different types of communication? Good children, there are 4 types of communication. A. Visual communication. B. Auditory communication. C. Communication through touch. D. Chemical communication. Shall we move to the next topic? Children, observe the video. What is elephant doing? Yes, elephant trumpet to talk to other herds over a long distances to escape danger. Like that, wolves howl to call other wolves in the pack who are living near to the forest. They can observe those type of sounds. This is called auditory communication. Can you give one example for this? Yes, what a genius you are. Crows. If a crow see food, it will call all crows by shouting cow, cow. Let's do some activities. Children, answer the following question. How do elephants communicate? Yes, you are right. Elephants trumpet to talk to other elephants. Are you ready to do the next activity? Children, choose the correct answer. Wolves dash to call other wolves in the pack. Option A is jump. Option B is howl. Option C is run. Which is the right answer? Yes, howl is the right answer. So, answer B. Are you ready to do the next activity? Let's go. Children, say true or false. Wolves use visual communication to call other wolves in the pack. Is it true or false? Take a bow, children. Answer is false. Let's see the video. Communication through touch. Children, do you have pets? What are they? Tell me. Cat, dog. Have you ever observed how they communicate? Let's see how animals communicate through touch. What did you observe in this video? Wow, very keen observation. Cats are touching each other. This is communicating through touch. Animals communicate and interact via the sense of touch. It is communication through touch. Dogs and cats lick their pups and kittens to show affection and clean their bodies and stimulate. Monkeys and baboons also groom each other to show love. Shall we do some activities? Let's do. Children, answer the following question. Why do dogs and cats lick their pups and kittens? Yes, good children. Answer is to show affection and clean their bodies. Shall we go to the next activity? Children, fill in the blank with suitable word. Monkeys and baboons groom each other to show dash. Which word should we write here? Yes. Well done, children. Answer is love. Shall we know the chemical communication? Dear children, do you know cats rub against objects to mark their scent? Snakes and dogs use their sense of smell to identify enemies. How these animals doing like this? These animals have scent glands. With these scent glands, animals communicate with other animals. This is the chemical communication. Let's do some activities. Dear children, identify and write the type of communication used by the given animals. Have you completed? Children, take a bow. Dog, visual communication. Owl, auditory communication. Snake, chemical communication. I think you are very eager to do the next activity. Let's go. Children, match the correct one. Dogs lick their puppies. Tortoise retract their head. Cats rub against surface to mark their scent. Wolves howl to call other wolves in the pack. We have to match these with auditory, tactile, visual, chemical. Within a short period, you have done perfectly. You are stupendous. Let's see the summary. Children, take a glance and summary. Animals also communicate with each other by visual, auditory, touch and chemical means. Show love and affection towards the animals. Use appropriate devices to communicate in different situations. Children, let's check your understanding. Children, answer the following questions. What is communication? How do you communicate with the people who are far away? Well done, children. Answer is expressing ideas and exchange of thoughts and feeling to others is called communication. We can communicate with people who far away by talking over a phone. Ready for the second question? Children, second one. Give examples for indirect communication. Excellent, children. Answer is we get information when we watch television. We send information through text messages. Shall we go to third question? And children, write different ways of non-verbal communication. You are amazing, children. Expressions, gestures, sign language, body postures, emojis are the different ways of non-verbal communication. Let's ready to answer the fourth question. Children, mention the ways of communication used in the past. Wow, children. Right answer. Answer is by the way of drumming, giving signals through smoke, sending letters with birds like pigeon, human runners with horse rider. Next, go to the fifth question. Children, what questions will you ask your teacher about sign language? Unbelievable, children. You answered correctly. We may ask these type of questions. What is sign language? Who use this sign language? Do you learn sign language? Can I learn sign language? How is the sign language helped? Could you show some signs? Be ready for the sixth question. Children, 6.1. Observe pet animals in your surroundings and write how they communicate. Good children. Through visual communication, dogs wave their tail when they feel happy. In the forest, wolves how to call other wolves in the pack through auditory communication. Through touch communication, dogs and cats lick their pups and kittens to show affection and clean their bodies and stimulate. Through chemical communication, cats rub against to mark their scent. Shall we go to the next question? Children, collect information about indirect communication tools. Fantastic children, you collected good information. Indirect communication tools: television, postcard, phone call, text messages, etc. Television. Television is a system for sending moving pictures and sound from one place to another. It is one of the most important and popular forms of communication. TV programs provide news, information, and entertainment to people all over the world. Postcards. The idea for the postal card originated in Germany 1865. Postcard known for being a personal way to send a message. Postcards are typically made from a piece of thick paper or thin cardboard. Next, phone call. A telephone call or telephone conversation, also known as phone call. A phone call is the best way of indirect communication. Text messages. Text messaging or texting is the act of composing and sending electronic messages, typically consisting of alphabetic and numeric characters between two or more users of mobile devices, desktops or laptops. Shall we go to the next question? Children, draw the pictures of four smileys used in non-verbal communication. Very good children. Excellent. Shall we go to the ninth question? Ninth question. What excites you when you observe the hearing impaired children communicating with each other? Answer is, that makes me wonder when I observed those children communicating by sign language. If I will be their place, it will be very difficult to me to use sign language. They are very easily communicating in sign language. Really, it is a boon for them.